Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. You clicked on this video because you want to make some profit with crypto. Keep in mind, right now the market is so volatile, including Bitcoin. It's very hard to track what is new things happening in crypto, where to put money, and FOMO is everywhere. I mean, the greed chart, you can see it is quite high. But if you want to make profit, putting your money in the top 10 crypto is not going to give you 10x or 20x. There are some places that you can put your money, some industries that are going to be booming very soon. And keep in mind, today I will be giving you 3 of my own picks. I will be super transparent and tell you if I'm invested in them myself or am I just looking into it right now. But before we get into it, if you want to stay up to date with this booming crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button, and while you're there, slap a like on the video. It just helps you to algorithm, push the video to more people, more promotion, and also just allows more tokens to be recognized. Keep in mind, I am not affiliated or promoting any of these. I'm not being paid. This is just my personal opinion. Now keep in mind, if you have been paying attention to the crypto market, what's been doing well recently? Well, meme tokens. Am I going to be showing you any of meme tokens today? The answer is no. Yesterday I showed you 2 meme tokens. If you want to go check that out, you can do so after this video. But today I want to focus on a different industry which has not seen its full boom yet. The first one which I want to talk to you guys about is a launch pad. Now the one is BSC Pad. I'm not telling you to go in and just throw your money into this token right now, but let me tell you a little bit of a breakdown in terms of why this token has so much potential yet to be seen. First of all, let's talk about where it is placed. It is part of the Launchpad community. If you do not know what a Launchpad is, they pretty much introduce new tokens to the crypto industry. You actually get it pretty much a small portion of that token even before it is launched to the public. What does that mean? Well, when it is launched to the public, you're more likely to sell and over time make profit. Now these are the launch pads which are doing not so good because the crypto market isn't positive, but other than the internet computer, you can see most of the other ones in the last 7 days are not doing some big move. So overall, you know, the launch pad industry has not seen its boom yet. And why did I decide to pick something so small? Why am I picking BSC Pad? Well, just to give you guys a little bit of perspective, if we just look at the market cap, I'm not talking about the price. If we just look at the market cap and what numbers they have reached in the past, you guys can see at a point they were at a market cap of 150 million. This is talking about 2021, so I completely understand it was a little bit ago. But if you pay attention, right now it is sitting at 18 million. Now, as I mentioned, I personally feel like there are some other launch pads you can also look at, but this is just my personal pick because they are part of the Bluezilla. And if you do not know, Bluezilla has introduced a lot of launch pads to the actual community. And if you keep scrolling down, you will come across quite a few Bluezilla, like such as AI Pad. There is also a couple of other ones that you will be able to look into, but the biggest one being BSC Pad, and that is why I'm introducing you to it. Personally, I do have some money into it and I'm part of trying to get the project, you know what I mean? And also talking about Polkastarter, this is another very good one which I personally am looking very close into, and you can see it is just starting off its push. When we look at the market cap, you can see BSC Pad has fallen quite significantly compared to the Polkastarter, so this just means the circulating supply has increased significantly from 2022. That's why I personally feel like BSC Pad has a little bit more potential. The second project which I want to talk to you about is actually a very low project, and this is DeFi Finance. I've mentioned this a long time ago, but personally I just wanted to show you guys something interesting. Now if we just skip to the market cap, you can see that the market cap just in 2023 at the start was sitting at 2.5 million, which if you count for other big gaming tokens, just so you guys know, this actually fits into the gaming token. Now compared to all the other gaming tokens, this one's quite significantly lower, as right now it is sitting at 1.2 million. The team, you guys can see, at one point was able to gather close to $10 million. Why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand, even if you just make it to a $10 million market cap, that's close to a 10x. And if you pay attention to their website and actually pay attention to other things about this project, you will realize that this project actually has a lot of potential. It is a very similar game such as League of Legends, or you can compare it to other games, but this is pretty much a project that's trying to do good things relating to Axie Infinity, or you just talk about the whole gaming industry. This one is going to do wow. Also, it is only listed on PancakeSwap right now, so as it gets listed on more exchanges and things like that, it has a very high potential of being able to make it to a big industry. And you can see they're part of the NFTs, they're part of the metaverse, they're part of gaming. Those are some big things which are going to be booming. I mean, personally, I feel like when the crypto market gets to the top of its bull run, AI and crypto gaming is going to be two of the biggest things. And I personally feel like DeFi still has a lot of length to go. And personally, I like circulating supply to be capped. That's just my personal opinion, but you know, when it's capped, there's not going to be more tokens than the 100%, and after that, only way to go would be going up. Also, if you look at their Twitter page, you guys will understand something interesting. Now, they only have 80,000 followers, but 80,000 for a token that's only 1.2 million market cap is quite significantly higher. And you can see that they're quite active and at the same time not so active. But what I'm trying to say is something interesting about this token is they are releasing new things in the background. They have mining, which is happening. Also, you can actually purchase some land, NFTs. So I personally feel like this token does have a lot of potential before it is going to explode. And the final one is also going to be part of the gaming industry. Now, this one is a little bit higher market cap. I mean, the first one was sitting close to 20 million, second one close to 1 million, and this one's going to be sitting close to 50 million. Now, another thing, just a final thing, is you guys can see the trading volume is really low, but sometimes it jumps quite significantly. Now, talking about D-Race, D-Race is also part of the gaming industry, but one thing that they are good at is they are gambling, or play to earn is also another way to see it. So pretty much horse racing gambling is the right word to describe this token. And I personally feel like, seeing how big of an industry it is in the real world, this is going to take a lot of heat when gaming gets popular around crypto. And also, this is listed on KuCoin and Gitto.io, but has not made it to Coinbase and Binance. Therefore, there is a little bit of a pump that's yet to come relating to those two exchanges. That's just my 3 picks personally right now. You guys can see, if you look at the market cap and the way it has reacted, at a point the market cap was sitting close to 150 million, which I personally feel like is still quite low for what D-Race is actually providing to the community. Now, you guys can let me know down in the comment section for your top picks, because I love reading comments and I love trying to figure out more things in terms of what are some other good cryptos to look at. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.